What is monetary policy? Monetary policy is the process by which a country's central bank controls the supply of money and interest rates to manage the economy. In simple words, monetary policy means the actions taken by a central bank to control money flow in the country. The main goal of monetary policy is to keep the economy stable by controlling inflation, supporting economic growth, and maintaining price stability. A central bank, such as the Reserve Bank of India, uses monetary policy tools to influence borrowing, spending, and investment. When inflation becomes high, the central bank may increase interest rates to reduce spending and control rising prices. When the economy slows down, the central bank may lower interest rates to encourage borrowing and increase business activity. There are two main types of monetary policy. Expansionary monetary policy is used to increase money supply and boost economic growth. It usually includes lowering interest rates and making loans cheaper. Contractionary monetary policy is used to reduce inflation by decreasing money supply and increasing interest rates. Central banks use several tools to implement monetary policy. These include interest rates, open market operations, and reserve requirements for banks. Open market operations involve buying or selling government securities to control money supply. Monetary policy affects everyday life. It influences loan interest rates, home mortgages, business investments, job opportunities, and overall economic growth. For example, when interest rates are low, people may take more loans to buy houses or start businesses. The central bank changed monetary policy to control inflation. Monetary policy affects borrowing costs. The government works with the central bank to maintain economic stability. In simple terms, monetary policy means controlling money and interest rates to manage the economy. Easy way to remember. Monetary policy means managing money supply for a stable economy.